guys can dance too.
It's time for the bonfire. Finally. Our second attempt. There it is. I think we're gonna sit by the stone benches because last time we brought the chairs, it was too close and it was very hot. So this time we're gonna try to stay away from that. The weather is not too bad. It's kind of windy. I don't know if you can see me. Probably not because I'm dark. But yeah. So this is our s'mores.
You want it on?
No, it's okay. And yeah, so this is our s'mores section.
Today it's like not even wind, which kind of sucks because it's just massive heat.
Yeah. So yeah.
So we started the campfire. Everyone's getting ready to make s'mores, but I don't really want to eat any. I'm not that hungry. It's really hot from dancing.
It is really hot. I probably told you that. I sweat from like the smallest thing. Oh wow, that's really useful.
There once was a man named Michael Finnegan. He had whiskers on his chin again. Everyone's enjoying. Are the guys coming out?
Don't eat this.
It's really hot. I'm like sweating.
It is. It's okay. You can move out the
I have to go to the bathroom.
You can go under that. There's like a fan.
How do you like your s'mores?
I didn't enjoy or take a bite.
Okay, take a bite. Let's hear the crunch.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna spill all over in my. Wait.
Okay.
Wait until the chocolate. Did you get a good shot?
Yes.
I dropped the chocolate.
Oh.
I don't.
Oh.
Okay. Oh. It burnt. Is that how it is?
Nom nom.
Is the lighting good?
Kind of.
Can you see my face?
Yeah, I'm recording though.
Hey, what's up? How you doing?
What's up?
Oh no.
Hey, hey.
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 Turn around.
Oh man, I don't have microphone.
Did I do something?
Oh no, make you walk away.
No, of course not, honey. Nitrous.
She has that Asian glow.
It's really, really thin.
I don't know if you can see this, but we're stargazing right now.
Oh man.
That's the fire going burning. We're just stargazing.
We're camping.
This is legit camping.
Check. In my arms is the location. I want you on the mic between quotations. Every time I'm next to you, texting you, checking you out, I feel a little connection. Truth is, our situation.
Hi guys, so it was a really eventful bonfire experience, and everyone just left. Trisha couldn't stay, sadly, and Alan left, and Nephi's in the guest room downstairs.
Right below this room.
Right below. Yeah, so I think I'm just going to call it a night, and we'll see you tomorrow. More adventures will happen. Good night. Good night. Good night.
So I'm just blindly recording myself?
He was like
right now.
on like the phone.
Yo, live and direct. We got some juicy stuff from Banana Rat Room. As you can tell, I got this wonderful bed here. One side up is how I like it. Makes me aerodynamic when I walk sideways.
What am I doing?
We got Velma here. So Velma, have you been on any mystery huntings lately?
Drool spot on that pillow.
Where we're gonna investigate.
Not me.
Whose drool is it?
Where?
Okay. Okay.
I don't remember dorm.
Let me smell your breath.
Oh, no.
We're gonna analyze this. Yeah, me and Nicole were up since 8 o'clock.
I was like, yeah.
And it is 10 something now.
I could sleep till 12 if you never woke me
I
up.
could sleep until like
You have that?
5
You have the
o'clock.
strength to do so?
Except like I woke up at 8 and then I was like hesitant to like wake him up, and so the whole time we were like he was waiting at the door, I was like waiting at his door too.
Yeah. Like there was a point I was like this, like the door was closed, and I heard her shuffling. Like I heard her walking like up and down the stairs. I thought it was her mom or something, and because she said she was gonna knock on the door in the morning, and then I was like hella waiting on the like other side of the door, like
lost puppy.
looking at it like should I go outside and open it?
And the whole time I was like, should I knock on it?
Nicole, are you on the other side?
I was like, should I knock on it? Should I knock on it?
Yeah.
It was pretty fast too. Like when I did go out, like when I decided to go out, when I heard no more shuffling, you walked out like a fast.
All of those beautiful men. What did you say?
Men.
All those beautiful relatives.
EXO. Beast.
All right here.
Oh man, I'm gonna miss this room. I wonder if it's gonna change when we all go to college. Anyways, I think we're going to IHOP later.
We're going to Denny's
Oh, Denny's?
or Wendy's.
Denny's have the most terrible service.
Really?
Has the most terrible.
Sorry. That's usually what I'm getting.
I'm gonna get 2 buttermilk.
Thinking about it, I was like, because I really wanted that one for a really long time. And I was like, oh.
I had the Grand Slam Slugger.
It's like,
Slugger, poach.
oh, me.
Interesting.
I love it.
Slugger, hash brown scrambled.
Ah,
Pancakes.
thank you, sir. Splendid.
What is it?
The omelet?
Philly omelet.
Yeah.
Bacon, sausage, hash. So this must. You're all sausage, right?
Yeah, that's first.
Thank you.
You nailed it.
I'm kind of actually.
Yeah, this is
And
breakfast.
you need more water or Sprite or I can't tell.
Water.
You need more water?
Yes, please.
Oh, milkshake. This
Get ready to dig in. Dig in. Nicole, I never knew you liked your egg poached.
I love cold eggs.
Wait, is it runny inside?
I don't think so. I asked for medium, so I don't know if it's that runny.
So
I thought that means over easy.
No.
Is that the same thing as over easy?
So it's not yogurt.
Aw. Yum, we're gonna dig in. Are you stuffed?
No, that was warm up.
Who's gonna eat that bread though?
Dessert?
Yeah, who didn't eat that bread?
Oh,
Durrani.
bread.
Okay.
Alright, I'll eat the other one. Cheers.
So we're done with breakfast. And it was a nice breakfast.
We are done. Baby. Idaho.
So I don't know what the plan is next.
Idaho.
I think we're gonna go back to Nicole's house.
Don't you get your sandwich
No, I'm not hungry at the moment.
for lunch?
I'm full. Oh, we ate brunch.
Man, this is breakfast.
Probably. Maybe. Yeah, I left a $2 tip because that dude was really nice. Well, guys, we're at Nicole's house again, and we're just chilling. No, nothing really to do because everyone's full, and we just want to rest.
Biggest snore ever.
What? Hope you don't mind.
I'm gonna kill you.
Take a picture of my foot. Ew! There's one thing that grosses me out is kneecaps. Get your kneecaps away. The armpit of your knee is okay, like this part, but
The armpit of your knee.
You know, we would like, with me and my cousins, like, we would always like leave disgusting, like, it's not really disgusting, but so, you know, if you like put your elbows like this, and you take a picture of this like little crease right here.
It looks
crack.
like a butt.
Yeah.
It's a
Yeah,
butt.
so
Wonder
we
how
would,
they make that
if
crack.
we ever took like a phone,
looks like
we
a
would like
butt.
take their phone and we would like totally just go like this. So like, hold on.
Does it work?
Have you ever tried doing a one-arm push-up and your back cracks?
No.
You should try a one-arm push-up before?
No.
Watch, my back will crack hella.
Come on, focus.
Ew.
I didn't
Ew.
know. That's so cool. Kind
It feels great.
of gross.
All the it's a nasty song.
This song is called Idaho.
Oh my god.
They sound drunk.
Yeah, I was like, a little high or something.
I've always heck a funny thing when I first heard it.
I'm about to like shit my pants again.
What are you listening to?
No, I like this one, Just Vibe.
Just 5.
Oh yeah.
Because the lyrics are so like nice, I kind of like it. I like the meaning of it.
Okay, we're gonna try lock toes because it
Wait, my
That is so
tickles.
awkward looking.
It tickles.
the truth is shit.
She just got. Ew! Ah, it tickles! It tickles so
You're not
much!
even spreading your toes out.
It tickles!
Come on, little guy. Come on, little piglets, intertwine. Hey, just lock toes like this and then squeeze. Like this.
Oh my god! Oh, wait. How is that awkward? Let's try this beat. Hold on. Stop! Stop!
Here you go. You're gonna go underneath.
Someone standing there.
No, we almost got one. We almost got one.
It tickles! Here.
Some more. Hold on.
Don't worry.
I just want to get one.
Okay. Okay.
Hold on.
It tickles so much.
Casey, we need to.
So I think that's it going to be for the vlog. We're all about to leave right now because my mom wants me home early because my sister is home alone. So yeah, the earlier the better, I guess. So everyone's just packing up and we're about to leave. Oh, thank you for being my sleeping bag. All right, I'm gonna end this vlog. Bye everyone. Bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.